Hello, my name is Max. This is No Code Nerd episode whatever. We're talking about Softr today. So Softr, oh my gosh, I used Softr recently on the show to build a tool called, let me show you, to build a tool called beta.co. Really awesome functional little tool. Basically, it's just a list. Oh, I think my little database disconnected from it. I'm building it on something else. Just because beta didn't do what I wanted it to, but beta it's just an amazing tool. Basically, beta lets me take Airtable databases, right? Simple little Airtable databases. It's just a series, a bit of information, right? And build web apps out of it, like really full functional, awesome web apps. I think Product Hunt called it the Lego of web app building, which is so cool. I love that. One of the main reasons that I really love Softr is the pricing is free. The pricing is super free, and you can actually add a custom domain to your custom web app for free, which is just the coolest thing. Also, now this is just, it's loading. It doesn't have any glitches. Yeah, here we go. I created a series of templates that you can just search through really easily on a website, like instantaneously. It took me literally like 45 minutes to build this thing on a show. It was so cool. Well, I won't exaggerate. It took me 90 minutes. If you need to build awesome web apps and you have an awesome database that you need to create into a web app, Softr has you covered, and you can probably do what you need to for free. It's just that awesome. So go and check it out. I highly recommend it. I think it's one of the best tools on the market for building web apps. I genuinely mean that. So cool. Awesome. Let me know if you have any questions on what you can build with Softr, and I look forward to seeing what you make. And check out beta. I'll also include beta down below. It's a really cool tool. Would love it if you checked it out. So see you in the next episode.